All right, guys, so 2017 Dodge Journey. We're going to be doing an oil change on it. It's usually a 1/2 inch. I'm pretty sure that's what that is. So I have a 13 millimeter, but it's the same thing as 1/2 inch. Unscrew it, let it pour out. All right, and oil filter. I use these pliers from Harbor Freight. They're my favorite. But whatever oil filter wrench you got will work. Counterclockwise so it's all the way off. Everything drain out. This is the oil filter. I'll put it in the description below. Just click the link. A little bit of used motor oil. Oh, you can use new motor oil, whatever. Just a little bit of motor oil. You can get that O-ring nice and wet. That just helps keep it from sticking. Clockwise, screw it back on. Hand tight. Yeah, I like to grab a rag, get a better grip on it, and give it that final turn. There we go. All right, then it'll drizzle like that for hours. We ain't got time like that. It'll be fine. You want to let it drip longer, go ahead. You change the oil every 5,000 miles with pure synthetic, you ain't gonna bother at all. All right, 13 millimeter 1/2 inch. Tighten it up, nice and snug, and wipe all the oil off of it. All right, okay, it is 4.5 quarts of 5W20. I'll put the oil in the description below as well. I use, oh, this is gonna make a mess, come on now. All right, I use pure synthetic. Ooh, come on now. And a half. All right, so I use full synthetic. I'll put that in the description below. Just click the link. I'll put the oil filter in the description below as well. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if this helped you in any way. Peace.